How do I test an RV refrigerator thermistor? If you are enjoying life in your recreational vehicle and your refrigerator is not cooling as it should, you might be wondering how to test the thermistor. This small component plays a big role in keeping your food fresh while you are camping. Let's break down the steps to test your RV refrigerator thermistor effectively. First, safety is key. Always unplug your RV refrigerator from the power source before starting any maintenance. You do not want to risk an electric shock while working on your appliance. Next, gather your tools. You will need a multimeter, which is a device used to measure electrical resistance, voltage, and current. It is also helpful to have a glass of ice water nearby for temperature testing. Now, locate the thermistor in your RV refrigerator. It is typically found attached to the side wall or secured to the evaporator in either the refrigerator or freezer compartment. Depending on your model, you may need to remove some panels to access it. Once you can see the thermistor, carefully disconnect it from the wiring. With the thermistor isolated, it is time to measure its resistance at room temperature. Set your multimeter to the appropriate ohm range based on the thermistor's specifications. This initial reading will give you a baseline to work from. To check if the thermistor is functioning properly, you can test it with temperature changes. Use a hairdryer to gently heat the thermistor or submerge it in the glass of ice water to cool it down. After changing the temperature, measure the resistance again. You should see a clear pattern. The resistance should decrease as the thermistor heats up and increase as it cools down. If you do not notice any changes in resistance, the thermistor may be faulty and could need replacement. For more accurate results, consider using a reference chart that shows the expected resistance values at different temperatures. This can help you determine if your readings are within the normal range. Regularly testing your thermistor is a great way to maintain your RV refrigerator. If your refrigerator is not cooling correctly or is running constantly, a faulty thermistor could be the issue. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and address the problem, ensuring your food stays fresh during your camping adventures.